All right, I have several photography businesses. My editorial photography, which is my assignment photography, personal projects, print store, etc. My commercial photography and video production business, Mott Visuals. I just redid the website. You can check it out in the description box below. We have a sister brand here in Hanoi that focuses on studio photography called Very Depth. And I also have my educational brand, which is my one-on-one classes, my workshop, my mentorship program, and my YouTube channel. So I've got a lot going on and a lot to manage. So in addition to my full-time staff supporting me make all of this work, I also use several services that are essential to running these businesses, and without them, I would honestly be lost. So first off, I'd like to thank my sponsor for today's episode, and that is Printique, who also genuinely happened to make this list. It's nice to have a little 2-for-1 here. I use them for all of my personal and professional printing needs. More on them later. All right, so let me just dive right into these services and why I love them. Let's start with the first one, which is Canva. We use Canva for all of our branding and marketing needs. They have customizable templates for just about everything you can imagine. We use them specifically for portfolio PDFs for clients for certain genres, for Mott Visuals, pitches to clients for projects showcasing our specific work in a certain genre, director and photographer profiles, pre-production plans, storyboarding, social media posts, everything you can imagine for graphic design. They make it easy and they actually make it fun. I also use them for thumbnails for YouTube and overlays like this one for my online print store. And speaking of my online print store, that leads me to number 2 on my list, which is Printique. As a photographer who lives in Vietnam and whose client base for online prints is in the US and Canada, I need to fulfill all of my orders from the USA. I don't have the luxury of doing quality control of my printing, and for a professional photographer selling prints, that's scary. I need to absolutely trust my supplier. My images are me and my prints are my reputation, and I trust Printique. I haven't had one, not even one, complaint in over 5 years of shipping prints with them, and that's the honest truth. Their quality and customer service is exceptional. I only allow a handful of sponsors for my channel. For those of you who watch me know that, because I believe in authenticity, and as you guys know, I only promote products and services I actually use and that I actually love, and I love them. Another added bonus is they seamlessly integrate into my Squarespace website, which acts as my online store for my prints, making the whole user experience for me and my customers simple and easy. Check them out using the affiliate link in the description box below, and just another reminder for you guys, like, print your work. It's nice to have your work printed and on your walls, even if you're not selling. Print it for you. Print your photography. It brings it to life and make you, actually, I think it'll make you a better photographer. And that takes me to number 3 on my list, and that's Squarespace, where I have 4 websites at the moment that I've built all by myself. And I actually have enjoyed the process of doing so. I just updated our production website right here, and I had a lot of fun doing it. No joke, if I can do it, you can do it. Building a website seems intimidating, they make it easy. They're extremely intuitive to use. Just start with one of their templates and then customize it however you want by just dragging and dropping, and their most recently updated platform is even easier and even more customizable. They've never sponsored me. They should, because I absolutely love them. And they have made building a website easy and actually enjoyable. But what I love most about them is how easy they make it for me to make money. I sell my one-on-one classes, my workshops, my print store, and downloadable presets directly through my website with a trustworthy and simple payment system for my customers and for me. They made e-commerce a lot less intimidating, and all my invoices and accounting, it's all just super clear and super organized right there within their website. And the next service is Dropbox. It's the back end of all of our businesses. Everything that I mentioned in my little intro, we share documents with each other on it. We keep track of all of our accounting. We share client deliverables, both internally and externally. And we use it to make retouching notes and selects for the client. Client can also make notes on the pictures. We host our archive of completed videos and retouch pictures on there just in case we need them or the client needs them. It does just about everything for us on the back end. You'll need to find a system that works for you, but once you do, it will keep your entire business running smoothly and professionally. And if you collaborate with several team members or subcontractors, it just makes all of it so fluid. The next service, which is what I'm on right now, and that's YouTube. It's just a fantastic source for me to learn new things. When I get stuck in any of the services listed above, I can find the help that I need right here on YouTube. When I wanted to learn how to edit in DaVinci, I learned through YouTube. When I was on a commercial shoot and was lost in my new Sony menu system, it rescued me. Invaluable tool for help and for learning. Once you know how to use it, once you find the right people that can teach you the way that you like to be taught. That makes sense. So that's it. That's my list. I know most of these are pretty widely known. There's no little sleepers in there or secrets, but these are essential to me and they all pay for themselves for me and my staff many times over. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you to Printique for sponsoring this episode. Don't forget to check the link in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my online store for my latest workshop coming up in December. Only 4 slots left. I've also got one-on-one coaching sessions on there, presets, prints, and much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and don't forget to have a wonderful day.